The fiddler crab or calling crab may be any of more than 100 species of semi-terrestrial marine crabs in the family Acipodidae, well known for their sexually dimorphic claws. The male's major claw is much larger than the minor claw, while the female's claws are both the same size. Fiddler crabs are most often found in soft sand or mud near or around the edges of shallow salt marshes. Fiddler crabs can be found from the Gulf of Mexico to South America. Fiddler crabs are the most common crab in a salt marsh, and they play an important role in the salt marsh community. Fiddler crabs are small, colorful crabs that are found in coastal regions throughout the world. They are named for the male's enlarged claw, which resembles a fiddle or violin. Fiddler crabs live in burrows in the intertidal zone and feed on algae, detritus, and small invertebrates. The enlarged claw of the male fiddler crab is used for communication and courtship displays. They wave their claw in the air to attract females and intimidate other males. The smaller claw of the male is used for feeding and defense. Fiddler crabs are small crabs with one major claw that is much larger than the other. The size of fiddler crabs can vary depending on the species and gender. Male fiddler crabs are typically larger than females and can have a shell width ranging from 2 to 3 centimeters and a body length of 2.5 to 3.8 centimeters. The larger claw of the male can be up to twice the length of its body. Female fiddler crabs are generally smaller, with a carapace width ranging from 1.5 to 2.5 centimeters and a body length of 1.5 to 2.5 centimeters. Fiddler crabs can have a variety of colors depending on their species and gender. The most common colors are brown, gray, and green, but some species may have bright or bold colors such as red, yellow, or blue. Male fiddler crabs have a distinctive large claw that is often brightly colored, such as red, orange, or blue. This claw is used to attract mates and defend territory. The smaller claw is usually brown or gray in color and is used for feeding. Female fiddler crabs are usually less colorful than males, with a more muted coloration that helps them blend into their environment for protection. It's important to note that fiddler crab coloration can also vary depending on their environment and diet. For example, fiddler crabs that live in muddy areas may have a darker coloration to blend in with the mud, while those that live on sandy beaches may have a lighter coloration. Fiddler crabs are often spectacularly colored and capable of dramatic color changes. Fiddler crabs are omnivorous and feed on a variety of food sources. Their diet primarily consists of small plants, algae, and animals, including dead organic matter, small invertebrates, and plankton. Fiddler crabs have specialized mouth parts called mandibles, which they use to crush and grind their food. They also have small bristle-like structures called setae on their mouth parts and claws that help them filter out and capture small particles of food. In addition to their primary diet, fiddler crabs will also scavenge for food by feeding on decaying organic matter and debris that washes up on the shore. They are also known to occasionally eat other fiddler crabs, particularly smaller ones. Fiddler crabs have a high metabolism and require a steady supply of food to maintain their energy levels. They will feed throughout the day and night, often timing their feeding to coincide with the tides, which can bring in new sources of food. Spawning season is from June through August. Eggs incubate for 14 days before hatching. Fiddler crabs live up to 1.5 years. Fiddlers have a remarkable mating ritual. Male fiddlers line up beside the tidy burrows they have dug and move their large claws back and forth in a fiddling motion to attract females. Fertilized female fiddler crabs carry hundreds to thousands of eggs under their abdomen. These are sometimes known as sponge crabs. Thus the cycle of life is complete. Only 1 out of every 1 million eggs survive to become an adult. Predators, adverse environmental conditions, and disease all take their toll on the millions of larvae that hatch from one female. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.